Fetch rewards showing already redeemed usually means the receipt or reward code has already been connected to another redemption attempt. By the end, you'll know what causes the already redeemed message, what checks to make in the Fetch Rewards app, and what information to send if the issue continues. The first step is checking your Fetch account history. Open the app and review your rewards activity to see whether the reward, receipt, or offer was already processed. If the reward appears in your account history, the app has already recorded the redemption, and you do not need to submit it again. If you do not see the reward, check whether you are signed into the correct Fetch account. Using a different email address or account can make a valid reward look unavailable. After confirming your account, review the receipt or offer details. Some rewards are linked to specific purchases, promotions, or redemption rules, so the app may reject a repeated submission. Make sure the receipt has not already been uploaded through another account. A receipt that has been processed once may trigger an already redeemed message if it is submitted again. You should also update the Fetch Rewards app and restart it before trying again. App updates can fix display issues where the account status does not refresh correctly. If the message still appears, contact Fetch Rewards support through the app. Provide your account details, the receipt information, the offer name, and a screenshot of the error message. A screenshot helps support identify whether the issue is caused by a duplicate submission, an account mismatch, or a reward processing problem. Avoid repeatedly submitting the same receipt because multiple attempts can make it harder to track the original redemption. The best way to prevent this issue is to use the correct Fetch account, check your reward history before redeeming again, and keep your receipt information available if support needs to review it. So the main fixes are checking your redemption history, confirming your account, and contacting support with complete details if the error remains. If this guide helped you fix the Fetch Rewards already redeemed message, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and comment with the next problem you want explained.